How the refrigerator piping system works. First of all, let's introduce the structure of the piping system. First of all, this is a compressor, which is mainly used to compress the refrigerant, which is like the human heart. Refrigerant is equivalent to our blood. This is the condenser, which is often called the heat sink by our service technicians, and is mainly used to dissipate heat. This is the filter dryer. It is mainly used to filter out impurities and water. This is the capillary tube. It is mainly used to connect the flow. This is the evaporator in the compressor, above a total of 3 connections. This is the fertilizer gas tube. This is the thick gas tube. Thick gas tube. It is connected to the condenser, fertilizer gas tube. It is connected to the evaporator. This is the supply port, in the absence of special instructions. For the supply port, can be used as a fertilizer gas tube. Fertilizer tube can also be used as a supply port. Let's talk about its refrigeration principle. When the compressor is energized, after the refrigerant will be drawn by the compressor return tube and then compressed by the compressor into a high temperature and high pressure superheated vapor. Then through the exhaust pipe into the condensing gas. High temperature and high pressure gas in the condensate gas in the heat dissipation into high pressure and medium temperature liquid. Then through the filter dryer to filter out water and impurities, and finally into the capillary for throttling and pressure reduction into the evaporator. In the evaporator, the refrigerant liquid is vaporized into dry, saturated vapor, thus absorbing a lot of external heat to achieve a refrigeration purpose, and then sucked in by the compressor's fat gas pipe.